This is Will and Akiko hanging the DADA quilt at the schools of the Sacred Heart in San Francisco. Kind of the site of an exhibition and mini residency. All of this in preparation for the infamous Alvaro Sanchez coming in late September to be part of the alternate take show at Gallery Renee Marie in Benicia. This quilt is 32 feet long by 5 feet, put together primarily by Akiko Suzuki in honor of the 100th anniversary of the Dada Arts Movement in 2016, shown in Mexico, 2 sites in Italy, Lecce and Venice, and at the Jennifer Perlmutter pop-up bank in Lafayette, California, and now here in San Francisco. So it's come full circle in about 4 years. And here comes a student walking by.
Pretty talented student. Pretty talented artist.
Okay, I'm going to take your word on that, sir.